Hello, and you are currently watching Dtfam YouTube channel, and we are at the BMX Barbecue Jam 2026 here at the Mount. So enjoy this video. Yo, Dtfam's there. Yo, good morning.
Morning.
Yo, check out the park.
You'll see me riding right now, so after this.
It is the real park here, yes.
Yep, it's the real park. We're in the flesh.
What tricks you gonna learn today? 360 fly out?
I did mini stuff over there that they've probably seen, but this slightly scary. But I'll maybe do something later, I don't know.
Check out the depth of it. Yeah, this park is no jokes.
And there's a lot of mini stuff over there, a lot of kids here, so yeah, you know what day it is, so you be on my head. In 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do some stuff there. I don't know how I landed that, but sure, I'll take it. God. Oh Lord. I don't know what this is. Like a little bump jump. Oh no! I gotta land that. What's up, man? Oh, they're nosy. Pop up there. Oh my God, never thought I'd do that. Oh. Gotta land this. Never thought I'd jump off that. That's sick. Let's try. Oh, if I will taste on that, maybe slow down. I'm really, well, honestly guys, I'm not really done a lift 180 in a very long time.
I scooter and I skate.
I'll do it right now though. Right now. Practice hop. Yep, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Same times charm. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know how clean that was. Not really. I've done that the other way. I don't know how to make clip. Nice.
Bit of tailwind. On a Dtfam vlog, man. It's not mine, it's someone else's YouTube, but we are here.
Subscribe to Lulu Bajon.
No, it's not mine, it's Dtfam. But yeah, you can subscribe to me anyway. What we do?
Okay. Okay.
I went to the flex me one and I tried to do a flip out of it.
People. People scare me sometimes. Oh, okay. Swipe. Don't be the first one out.
One is out. Yeah.
Oh, Robert lands.
Oh yeah, my
Press the spark to get me out.
Yeah, he uses his elbow. Look at his and
Pull the slammed the spokes into my knees for a
bad pranks, I would have won. Oh, get him out. Get big boy out. Oh, he got brakes and he doesn't. Oh, he's flexing on him. Karma. Second game, guys. Let's go. We've got to golf this guy. Oh, you fucking oh, between his legs. This is why I don't play Game of Foots now, guys. Why did you hit my button? There's miles there. All good. What the year? Oh!
All right, rematch.
Yeah. I got like 3 cases too and fakeless.
Taking yourself out. square now.
Yeah, small square.
Yeah. Small square now.
Small square. I'm coming.
Small square.
Did not expect that. Small square.
Small square. Oh shit, is it now?
Yeah, that's why I'm standing there.
Carry on.
Okay.
Get him, Lulu, get him.
Get him.
I'm out.
Yeah.
What's not down?
Oh, okay.
This is a time game compared to what I used to play at BMX.
Yeah, dead ball.
Mine's a like
Pretty hard.
mine's a chess like strategy
I can't
too.
believe the bike in there. Oh no.
Oh, you won! Congratulations.
I'll get a photo with you.
3, 2, 1. Because I don't like going that fast sometimes. Oh, I hacked it. Oh yeah, I trust my lift. You already left. Real disgusting. Oh, okay, first try. Ah! You know.
Okay,
Just
well, what am I doing?
Just anything you want in the bowl. Spine, whatever. Flips, whips, whatever.
Sweet.
People always think about their rear peak.
What's up everybody, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog with Lulu here, and then I was going to say Brendan over there riding still, the two hosts. Hope you guys enjoyed this.
Subscribe, it's really important.
Subscribe.
There's more and more people watching. We're so stoked to see you every time.
Yeah, if you guys like this stuff, comment down below. If there else.
Come next time.
Bye.
Come with us next time.
Yeah, come.
We need you.
Yeah. Yep. Signing out. God love.
See you.
Bye.